Everyone, Gil here at GrayManPrepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about getting ready for winter, odds and ends. But before we get into that, if you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and click the subscribe button down here. And don't forget to ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of these great videos. Also, thumbs up for me, please. Helps me out with YouTube's analytics. All right, so this is another one of the odds and ends series where it's going to be kind of all over the place a little bit. But the general topic is getting ready for winter. And what I want to remind everybody is on this one here is there are a lot of aspects in getting ready for winter. That's why this is an odds and ends. You know, we've already talked about boots and gloves and rain gear and stuff like that. All that plus more. Long johns, scarves. I actually talked about scarves as well already. But everything you might need. Snow shovels. Ice melt, whether you're actually using salt or one of the other biodegradable natural things, that melts the ice and doesn't, leave sodium in the soil and stuff, or break up your cement or whatever. There are a lot of things, to do to get ready for it. Do you have an ice scraper for your car? Have you changed out the washer fluid to the non-freezing, the quote antifreeze of washer fluids? So not the antifreeze you put in the motor, but the stuff, there's a special antifreeze type washer solution for your windshield washer. So, you don't go to spray it to get stuff off and you put a sheet of ice on there. All right. So have you gotten that stuff? Do you need new ice cleats for your shoes? There are a lot of things to look at in getting ready for winter. Do you have your firewood up? Yeah, firewood. Do you have backup heating supply? Have you thought about that? There's a lot of things to think about in getting ready for winter. Coats, jackets, scarves, hats, gloves. We covered all this already in several of the Your Prep for the days leading up to this. But I'm reminding you again so you don't forget. We want to make sure that everyone stays nice and safe this winter season. And in some areas, they're talking about it being a longer and colder winter this year. So get your stuff ready. Start making a list. Get out that pen and notepad and start checking what you have and working on getting everything up to speed. Your car. Do you have snow chains for your car? Or do you have those emergency plastic ones that go on that are like zip ties that you can put on really quick in an emergency and get yourself unstuck really quick? Things to consider. Think about it. Think outside the box, folks. All right. And as always, everyone, stay happy no matter what life throws at you, even if it is 3 feet of snow in one night. Stay safe. Don't do anything foolish. And most important of all, keep prepping, keep building your skills up, and I'll see you in the next video. All right? Take care.